Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks in Derbyshire in the UK, and today it's all about the number 0. You've been asking me how to inflate these 0 foil balloons, so today I'm going to demonstrate on this 34-inch size foil balloon. You're going to need a hand pump to air inflate this foil balloon, and let's open it up. So I don't use scissors when I'm opening the packaging, that's the first thing to note, because you could very easily cut the balloon. So let's just open it up. And lay that out flat on the table. So you're looking for the valve here, and that's this little silver circle here. Just insert your hand pump behind the red tab and then just start to air inflate. Okay, and this does take a few minutes. Okay, so you can see that this is looking alright, and I've tried to recreate the situation the person who contacted me was in. The person had inflated the balloon and she said only half of it is inflated and the other half hasn't, and that's because this balloon is made up of 2 chambers. So what you need to do is apply pressure. The 2 chambers are connected up here. So what you need to do is just apply some pressure, very gentle pressure, and the air will start to move from this chamber into the next one. So there's a valve up there as well. And then you can just carry on inflating. But if you feel one side filling up, just press down and that will start to inflate the other side. Okay, and then we continue to inflate. Okay, so you can see we're starting to get very close to that being fully inflated. So I think I can put a little bit more air in there, because what I'm checking how soft this side is, and that still feels quite soft to me. But you just need to go very gently and slowly at this point, because it's very easy to over-inflate. So when I press on the balloon now, it feels nice and firm, but I can still walk my fingers along the side here and they spring back, okay? That's what you're looking for. And that's how to inflate a foil 0 balloon that has 2 chambers.